Good morning class 6. This is your English class. Today in this video we are going to start chapter 5.3 of unit 5 in your English book. So students, now open page number 129 in your English book. Now see on the top of the page there is chapter 5.3 of unit 5. This chapter is about the topic Horatius at the bridge. The topic is here Horatius at the bridge. So students, now start reading. About 2500 years ago, King Tarquin ruled over Rome. It was about 2500 years back. King Tarquin ruled over Rome. He did not treat his people fairly, and the people became fed up with him. What fairly means? Fairly means justly. Fed up. Fed up means what? Unhappy. So, he did not treat his people fairly. King Tarquin did not treat his people fairly. That's why the people of Rome became very unhappy with the King Tarquin. They drove him out of Rome. After becoming fed up, the people of Rome drove the King Tarquin out of Rome. Tarquin went to Tuscany, that is in Italy, and met the king there. After the people of Rome drove the King Tarquin out of Rome, the King Tarquin went to Tuscany in Italy and met the king of Tuscany. I need your help, he said. King Tarquin said to the king of Tuscany that I need your help because the people of Rome drove me out of Rome. My people have thrown me out because my people have thrown me out of Rome. That's why I need your help. Now, the Tuscan king wanted to have Rome in his power. Now, the king of Tuscany wanted to have Rome in his power. He said, yes, we will help you. That's why the king of Tuscany told the King Tarquin that yes, we will help you, because the king of Tuscany wanted to have Rome in his power. And he sent a large army to attack Rome. The king of Tuscany sent a large army to attack Rome. That was the kingdom of King Tarquin. The Romans were taken by surprise as they were not prepared for a battle. The Romans were taken by surprise because they were not prepared for a battle that time. Rome lies on the bank of the river Tiber, and Rome lies on the bank of the river Tiber. In order to reach Rome, the Tuscans had to cross a bridge over the river. Okay? In order to reach the Rome, the Tuscans had to cross a bridge over the river Tiber. It was a wooden bridge, and the bridge was made of wood. The chief of the Roman army called his men and said, "The enemy troops are approaching the bridge." The chief of the Roman army called his men and told that the enemy troops are approaching the bridge. We must break down the bridge to prevent their entry to Rome. So we must break down the bridge, and it could prevent the entry of the enemy into the Rome. So the Romans began to demolish the bridge. What demolish means? To pull or knock down. Demolish means to put or knock down. So the Romans began to pull the bridge to make it broken. But before they could pull it down completely, the enemy had reached the bridge. But before the Romans could pull the bridge down completely, the enemy already reached the bridge. Just then, a young Roman soldier named Horatius came forward. At that critical condition of Rome, a young Roman soldier whose name was Horatius came forward. He said to his comrades, "You go ahead with your job of cutting down the bridge at this end." Horatius said to his comrades that you go ahead with your job of cutting down the bridge at this end. Means you could continue to cutting down the bridge to the end. I will go to the other end and stop the enemy there, and I will go to the other end and will stop the enemy there. I shall not let a single Tuscan soldier cross over to this side. I will not let a single Tuscan soldier to cross to this side. So students, you have to study this part, this page properly. In the next video, we will study the second part of this chapter.